Bayer, a Fortune 500 company in the field of agrochemistry and life sciences, has signed up to attend the China International Import Expo for 6 consecutive years. In the eyes of Ulrich Sਟیفر, Chief Financial Officer of Bayer Group Greater China, the CIIE is a wonderful platform to turn Bayer's vision into a reality. According to the senior executive, the reason why Bayer has become a loyal fan of CIIE is due to its strong spillover effect, allowing companies to see innovation potential on the Chinese market and to be perfectly aligned with China's long-term policies.
It's really a platform where we can create a collaborative, inclusive environment where we exchange information, where the companies like Bayer is able to showcase the latest capability and products. We have good discussions, we have good collaboration with the partners, and some of them went into a stage where we concluded even collaboration agreements, more than 20 we've done in the last 5 years. And that we see perfectly aligned with the themes of the Chinese society under Healthy China 2030, under green development, and on to modernize agriculture. In the last 5 years, in fact, we have showcased more than 100 innovative products. We want to show the latest solutions for patients, consumers, and farmers. And that is what we want to use, once again, to use the CIIE as a wonderful platform to cooperate, to collaborate, and to turn our vision into a reality. Health for all and hunger for none.